Ay, Cebu.
Uy, Diyos. Napindot ko lang yun. Promise, promise yun. Napindot ko lang nga.
You have some explanation to do. No, you offended me.
This is me.
You
You're avoiding me.
Hey, bro.
Hey, bro. All the people in the world.
They're gonna think it's totoo. It's not totoo.
John.
Diyan. Uy, hindi na siya makakaro.
Sorry nga, napindot ko. Huwag na. Isipin nila totoo. Eh, mag-i-issue na naman to.
Nanonood. Explain.
My aunt called me early in the morning. I was listening.
Hello?
Tinawag ko sabi,
Ask us some questions.
what the fuck is...
Ay, nag-unsa ka. Wala lang.
Kaya nila.
Nag-chill lang.
Problem ko kasi is
Saan si Kulat? Saan naman si Kulat?
nakapin.
Ano siya? Dungan siya. Dong Patrice.
No way.
When I called her, I was here na. Her hair still wet.
Okay. Ito pa naman call. I mean, 1:30 call ka naman.
Si Sakaya niya.
None of it is true.
Wala, di totoo yun. Ngayon, papahanap po namin si nagsabi.
Uy! Jowa.
Papakalat ng fake news. Yung sa pinsan ko. Opo, sa pinsan ko, kala niya po totoo, kaya nirepost niya. So, tinawagan ko siya. Sabi ko, hindi totoo yan. Ba't mo naman nire-repost? Yun po yun sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Hindi nga nirepost ng pinsan ko. Kasi kala niya totoo. Kasi nakita ko, tinawagan ko siya. Kasi naniniwala eh. Paano ba kasi? Paano ko ipapaniwalain ha? Teka lang.
It's okay, guys. Just chill out. Just calm down. Not everything will go the way you want it to go. So, just...
Si sad boy pala to eh.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Let's all calm down. And love each other. No hate, guys. Yes. Huwag kayong ma-hate. Always see the good in everyone else and everything. And pray to God, bro. It works. Spread love. Spread love only.